People, when you see Cheech and Chong on a boat, you better start filming. That's all I can say. I think they're filming the new movie that I heard about. They got their boat there. It's the name Sweet Dreams instead of Nice Dreams. And that's Chong backing it up right there. Cheech is on the back there. He's got the line in his hand. Hey, I'm Cheech and Chong's biggest fan. And I'm pretty sure I know Cheech and Chong when I see them. What do you think, people? Put your comments down below.
What do you think? Put your comments down below. Is that Cheech and Chong or what?
Sergeant Stadenko, look, it's those two guys. The ones with the Nice Dreams ice cream truck.
Hey everybody, thought I'd give you all an update on the applause button. Yes, it's working, and I've had some very generous people. Very generous indeed. Although the feature doesn't seem to work very well on a phone, on a laptop, or a personal computer. It comes right down to the comment section, and it says who donated and how much they cared to donate. Although the Android or whatever it is that's working on the phone now, bear in mind this is a beta test, and very few people have even been selected to try it. So they're still working the bugs out of it. I just wanted to thank everyone that did donate, and to tell you that I really do appreciate it. Even though at this point it's anonymous and I really don't know who it is, but there's more than enough there to make a nice little trip somewhere. And I'm going to put that together in the next couple of days, and off we go. Thanks everybody. We're going to see if we can catch a fish here. We always like to do that on all our videos, right? Oh, it's getting a bite.
Fish on, fish on. I just love living on a boat. Go on up here, fishy. Everybody wants to see what you are. Pulling hard, but it doesn't seem real awful big. I love fishing. There he is. Looks like a bullhead. A fat little bullhead. You know, these things get up to 20 pounds here in this river. I catch a lot of them, and you can't really tell the difference between them and a channel cat. But when they're at this size, you can definitely tell that that's a bullhead. Geronimo! Bye-bye, fishy.
Oh, he's coming in fast. Crash.
You just can't make this stuff up.